one little shout out I should give. My pals, New Kids on the Blockchain YouTube channel. They came over here. First met them in person. Let's see. This would have been sometime in early 2018, I believe. And they were doing a documentary on crypto, blockchain, and all that stuff. And they went around the globe, honestly, to a bunch of places, interviewing, YouTube personalities like myself, Bix, other people, quite a few other people. John McAfee was on there, and they've been working on this documentary for a while. It's about, I think he said it's 92 minutes long, and they've got kind of a preview, if you will, on their channel they just uploaded today, which is November the 1st. I'm doing this, and he actually played a little snippet of me there, because when they came over, so I had those jet skis and stuff, and we, we did the interview and all that stuff, and he's like, "Hey, well, we got kind of plenty of time to kill. Do you want to do like a music video? Like, do you get a song you thinking like your friend Steven did?" I'm like, "Oh God, yes, we have a song. Every day I'm hodling." So he's like, "Oh yeah, let's do a music video." So we put this thing together. I have still not released that video in full yet. I am waiting. I said when the next time the crypto market really pumps, I'm gonna play it. And I got close. I got real close when we got to 13.8. I was like, "Oh, I think it's almost time." But then the market came back down under 10. I'm like, "Okay, nope, not yet. Not playing the full length feature, music video, Jason at 4." It was kind of cool. These guys have skills, like him and his girlfriend, and they've got some skills with the camera and whatnot. So it was fun. It didn't take that long to do it either. Like you would think it would take us hours and hours and hours. I think we got it done in 2 or 3 hours total. And let's go to and that includes taking the jet skis down to the closest body of water, this lake nearby, and doing that, put them back on, go back home, do some more video shots. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. But anyways, when the documentary comes out, that's when I'm gonna have to give the big shout out, because it's like, hey, whether it's Netflix or wherever they decide to run with it, I have to give a big shout out for that, because I want to see it. Not just because I'm in the thing, but it'd be interesting to see what was happening back then, what's happening now, because I did kind of a follow up interview with him not too long ago through Skype or through Zoom, and sent him some of the video there to incorporate in this. So that'll be kind of fun. I will say another thing. His girlfriend is into these documentaries that she does, and it's like life after such and such, life after this, and like life after Flash. Remember the movie Flash Gordon? So they go and find the actor, interview him, some of the cast, that kind of stuff. So he was emailing me the other day, and I see this in his signature. He's got this stuff in there, and I'm like, Flight of the Navigator, Life After Navigator. What the hell is that? Like, was this part two? What is it? What the hell is this? So he had a little link in there. I clicked on it. It was like a little introduction, or whatever you want to call it, like a preview. And he goes, "Oh no, here's a newer one. Watch this one." And I'm like, well, what is this? So I was like, it's not a movie. He's like, no, it's a documentary about the kid's life and what he did and what he's gone through and this and that and where he's at now. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. I really, really thoroughly enjoyed that movie, Flight of the Navigator. I'm going to tell you, it's probably one of my favorite movies. It was just so cool. He finds that spaceship and it helps him and he helps it and all this stuff. It was really neat. And but the kid himself, the actor, who's now a grown man, probably around my age, I think, maybe he's a little older than me. Um, had some life experiences and some great, some not so great. He goes over it and where he's at now, and just I was hooked as soon as I heard it. I'm like, oh my god. So I had an interesting opportunity with them to kind of sort of be a part of the helping of making that film, that documentary, and they're still working on it. It's getting close to being completed, but it's not yet. And I might actually have an opportunity if I take the flight and go up there on November the 11th, and I might, because I'm going to be in my little exploration spot at that time, to get away for a couple days. Like go there one day, come back the next day, and finish. To be a part, they're going to rebroadcast it, like show it at the movie theater. They're going to have like the original producer and that kind of thing. And he's like, I got 2 tickets. So I'm like, ooh, really? So I might do that, just to go meet the crew and the people and some of the actors. Like I just love the movie so much. I don't. It's not every day you get an opportunity like this. Um, so I'm really considering trying to make that happen. But anyways, check them out. click on their like button, click on the subscribe button, maybe even hit that notification button for them. I'm going to put the link to the documentary for the blockchain stuff in the description box of this video for you to click on it if you'd like to go check it out. And I think you should. Take care.